You've heard the basic sleep advice. Dark room, no coffee. But what if your brain just won't shut up? We're skipping the basics. This is the unconventional edge. 3 hacks to trick your mind and body into sleep. Hack 1. The mental reset. The biggest barrier to sleep is the worry loop. Don't take your worries to bed, dump them. An hour before sleep, grab a notebook. Write down every single thought, to-do, and worry. Get it all out. Then, write one final sentence. This is handled until tomorrow. You've officially transferred the mental load. Your brain is now free to rest. Hack 2. The reverse psychology paradox. If you're lying there trying to force sleep, you're failing. Instead, try to stay awake. Lie still, eyes open, and tell yourself, I must not fall asleep. This removes the performance anxiety. The moment you stop trying to sleep, your body often takes over. Hack 3. The thermoregulation secret. Your body needs to cool down to sleep. But if your hands and feet are cold, your body holds on to heat. The solution? Wear socks to bed. Warming your feet dilates blood vessels, which signals your body to shed heat faster. It's a sleep switch. Bonus hack. The 4-7-8 breathing. This is your emergency off switch. Exhale completely. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 7. Exhale for 8. Do this 4 times. It forces your nervous system into a state of calm. The environmental edge. 2 quick adjustments. First, the clock. Stop staring at it. Anxiety spikes when you watch the minutes tick by. Cover it, turn it, or put it across the room. Out of sight, out of mind. Second, the morning light. Set your internal clock. Get 10 minutes of bright light within 30 minutes of waking up. This solidifies your wake-up time, which makes your bedtime easier. The final rule, if you're awake for more than 15 minutes, get out of bed. Go to a different room. Read a book. Do not look at a screen. Only return when you feel that wave of sleepiness. These aren't just tips. They are hacks to bypass your brain's resistance to sleep. Try one tonight. You might be surprised how fast you fall asleep.